is not its own, nor seeks to lie. It heals, forgives, and will not die. It weeps, it waits, yet holds the light, and shines in hearts both pure and bright.
Love is heaven's gift divine,
From God above,
a spark to shine, protected well from worldly flame. Keep it sacred, free from shame. It trusts, it pardons, never hides. It dwells where truth and peace reside. It comes so softly like a song, and fills the soul where it belongs. Love is heaven's gift divine, from God above, a spark to shine, protected well from worldly flame. Keep it sacred, free from shame. Know God's joy within your heart. This gift of heaven, your sacred part. Your love is heaven's gift divine.